Number 1.
Learn how to create your own digital clock in Excel. Use formula equals to now for today's date and time. Now press Ctrl+1. Go to time and select format. OK. Now change the color and font size, make it bold. Go to font style, select Castellar. Go to sheet, press right click, then click on view code. Go to insert, select module, then paste this VBA code. Click on run. That's it, your digital clock in Excel is ready.
Number 2.
Don't draw lines like this in each cell. Don't do this. Instead, select all cells. Then go to Customs. Now type at the rate, asterisk, underscore in space. Press OK. Apply outside border. You can also adjust it left or right. Use this trick now.
Number 3.
Stop dragging your mouse to select your data, instead use this combination of shortcut keys. By pressing Shift plus End key and then using the right arrow key will select all cells in the direction of the right arrow until a blank cell is reached. And now by pressing Shift plus End key and then using the down arrow keys will select all cells in the direction of the down arrow. Here's your problem is solved.
Number 4.
Let me show you a trick. Don't draw charts like this. Stop wasting time. Instead, use this simple formula. Equals to repeat formula, choose bar. Then comma, select cell. Into 100. Now change font style to pay bills. Drag down to fill the all cells. Thanks for watching.
Number 5.
Want to make data entry easier and reduce errors in Excel? Learn how to create a drop-down list in just a few clicks. Select the cell where you want the drop-down list. Go to Data tab, click on Data Validation, and select List from a range. Then, select the range of cells that contains the list options. Press OK. This will save your time and increase your productivity.
Number 6.
Are you still doing this like a noob? Stop adjusting columns like this, don't do this. Instead, go to Worksheet. Click on View Code. Now select Worksheet, and type columns.autofit. That's it. And you are done. Now type anything. It will automatically adjust your columns according to your text. See you in the next video.
Number 7.
Want to split your cell diagonally? Do this. Select your cell. Press Ctrl+1. Go to border, choose line style. Then press on diagonal. Write subject. Press Alt plus Enter. Now write full name. Give some space in starting.
Number 8.
Stop using VLOOKUP. Instead, use XLOOKUP. The XLOOKUP function is simple. Just enter the value you're looking for, the range where it's located, and the range where you want to return the result. Bracket closed. Press Enter. Let's recheck it. The employee code of this number has this name. XLOOKUP is more flexible and powerful than VLOOKUP, allowing for right-to-left search and more.
Number 9.
Want to boost your productivity and save time? Don't click on tabs to switch between data tabs. Instead, here's a simple trick. Use Alt plus Tab, keyboard shortcut, to quickly switch between open windows and applications.
Number 10.
Let me show you a trick. Select all text by pressing Ctrl+A. Now press Alt plus N T I. Press OK to create a table. Now adjust columns by double-clicking on column headers. Thanks for watching.
Number 11.
Let's say you have a table with employee hours worked, and you want to calculate overtime. I'll show you how to calculate overtime in Excel using a simple formula. Use max formula, select cells, lastly multiplied 24 hours minus total hours of shift.
Number 12.
Don't write Roman numbers in Excel, one by one like this. You don't need to remember. Instead, don't type, use this simple function in Excel. That's it. And you are done.
Number 13.
Don't put serial numbers like this, it's boring. Instead, use this Excel shortcut, Alt, plus, HFIS. Now choose column in series and put start and stop values. Now press OK and see the results. Wow, definitely time-saving shortcut.
Number 14.
Hey there, are you tired of manually tracking attendance? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm about to share with you the ultimate attendance hack in Excel. In this case, we'll use COUNTIF function. Equals to COUNTIF. Now select the range. Then write present in criteria. Drag down to fill all the cells.
Number 15.
Hey you all, are you still doing this like a noob? Don't highlight cells one by one. Instead, use shortcut key, Shift plus and plus down arrow key to select all cells. Then use this shortcut, Alt plus, HLHE. Now write what you want to highlight. And select how you want to highlight it.
Number 16.
This is the most quick and easy way to calculate bonuses in Excel. Equals to select the cell, C4, bracket open, 1 plus, now select bonus percentage, that's it. This formula multiplies the base salary in cell C4 by the bonus percentage. Try it out and let us know in the comments.
Number 17.
Hey you all, don't miss this video. Apply formula here, equals to VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value first, then select the table range. Now count the column number where names are written. Select false, press enter. This will give you an error in VLOOKUP. Now let's use XLOOKUP to check which one is more efficient. Now apply XLOOKUP here, equals to XLOOKUP. Now select lookup value first, then select lookup column. And then select return value column where your value is. Drag down to fill all the cells. Now let's recheck it. Apply XLOOKUP on this side too. Wow, easy.